It is one thing for you to find a house in Abuja, but it is another thing for you to find a house with accessible roads. Welcome to the part 2 of my series, House Hunting in Abuja. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some of the houses that I saw while I was house hunting, the prices, the areas, and then we'll move on to the one that I finally decided to pay for. So some of the videos are going to be in landscape while some are going to be in portrait mode. The ones that are going to be in portrait mode may already have been edited. Remember, this was like months back. I started house hunting in February and I found a house in May. So February, March, April, May, almost, in fact, 3 months. I was house hunting for 3 months, so I had tons and tons of videos and my phone got filled up, so I had to quickly edit some of them, delete them, post on my other social media. So some of the videos are already compiled while some of them are not compiled. They are raw footages. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. On this day I got a call to come to Lokongoma, so I got an Uber, but once the Uber got to this untied road, he told me, "Madam, I beg, no vex, I no go fit go again." So I got on the bike with my brother and I continued my journey. 1 minute into the journey and it's giving confused because I clearly told this agent I am not mobile, so give me a house with hard road. So what is all this wilderness? Finally got to the estate and it was time to see this house. It was a 1-bedroom apartment that I was currently going for. Don't worry, I'll tell you guys the price later. Let's have a tour of the house. This is a 1-bedroom BQ apartment and it has a guest toilet. It was also finished properly, which I really like. I really love the floors, I love the windows, and it actually came with a wardrobe. The kitchen was a little bit small, but I mean, I wasn't expecting anything over the top because of the size of the house. I went to check out the back of the house, and on my way back, I started to wonder, what are all these small things on the floor? Am I seeing well? Cockroaches? This must be a prank, right? Me. Cockroach, the same house. Ayeba, somebody got the popo. I cannot stay in this house. Totally giving pest infestation. So this brings me to the question of the day. Would you be willing to pay 1.6 million naira for a nice house that has no accessible roads, a sprinkle of pest infestation in Lokongoma? Because me, I won't stay here. But if you want the agent's number, sha. After house hunting in Abuja for almost 2 months, I am not too proud to admit that to find a good house in Abuja, you need money. Lots of money. Hello, my name is Carol. I'm a content creator based here in Abuja, and welcome to my series House Hunting in Abuja Part 5. On this day, I got a call from an agent telling me to come and check out this beautiful new 2-bedroom. When I got to the apartment, I must confess I was very excited. I was like, wow, this is a new house. I can clean it up and be the first person to move in. But where's all the furniture? That was when the agent called me inside and told me the landlord was giving this house for 2.5 million because he was not going to put in any wardrobes or kitchen cabinets. I was like, wait, on top my 2.5 million? What a wow. I quietly walked to the front of the house, paid my agent his agency fee, and told him I would be in touch. Thought I was done house hunting for that day, and I got a call by 6 p.m. asking me to come and check out this hot new property. Fam, when I got to this apartment, I was like, thank God, I have finally found my house. Little did I know. So this was a 2-bedroom apartment on the last floor of this massive building. Absolutely loved everything about this house. The fitting, the furniture, everything. And best of all, the price was within my budget. I didn't even waste any time. I just told them, where's the caretaker? Please give me form, let me fill. Because I'm definitely renting this house. It was at the point when I was filling the form that I heard somebody say, Chibibo, Oga no want Igbo person. Who knew that my tribe will one day stop me from getting my dream apartment in this Abuja? Achalugo, you say you want to rent a house in Abuja. That's okay, but do you have money? Hi, my name is Carol. I'm a content creator based in Abuja. And you're welcome to my series House Hunting in Abuja Part 6. So the last time I was here, I told you guys how I lost out on a house just because of my tribe. Well, today we are inspecting this house that is way above my budget. Now, before you judge me, please know that I just finished inspecting a different 2-bedroom apartment and my agent told me he wanted me to see this one. So I said, let's go. After all, the houses were in the same proximity. Let me tell you that when I saw this house, it was love at first view, because what is this beauty? It's like when Odogu saw his Achalugo. I looked at this house and I'm like, My God, why am I not a millionaire yet? This house you're seeing is a 2-bedroom apartment. It comes with fitted wardrobes, beautiful finishing for 3 million naira with a caution deposit of 500,000, service charge of 500,000, and let's not forget the diesel deposit. All this is excluding the agency and legal fee, which I haven't factored in yet. And it was at this point that I decided that I was going to make it in life, because look at this kitchen. When I stepped in, I was already imagining all the hidabasi recipes, diary of a kitchen lover recipes I was going to make in this kitchen. If at this point you haven't followed me yet, then I don't know what to say to you. This is my agent. His name is Sheyi. I found him on the streets of Instagram. If you're house hunting in Abuja and you like his number, just leave a comment below and I'll drop his number. It's been almost 2 months I started searching for a house in Abuja, and all I can tell you is that I am honestly tired. I have inspected a lot of houses in different areas of Abuja, but I still have not been able to find the perfect house for me. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm not looking for a perfect house. I'm looking for just something I can call home. 3 times now I have missed out on the house that I really wanted. One time because of my tribe, another time because of my gender, which is just ridiculous, and the third time just because the price point was just too much for me. I think at this point I am going to take a step back. Not because I have finally found the house that I want, but just because after some time everything just starts to look the same. The houses start to look the same, the prices are the same, the areas are the same. So I want to step back, take a break, and come back with fresh eyes. Recently I have also noticed the increase in the prices of houses in Abuja. Let me give you an example. If this week a price of 2-bedroom is 2 million, next week when you see more houses it's 2.5 and 3 million and 3.5. It's absolutely ridiculous, because when you think about it, who is paying for this house? I guess it's people like me that are paying for the houses. Anyway, back to the topic today. I'm taking a step back. I'm going to go on a trip, travel, clear my head, and hopefully when I come back, I can find a house for myself. So if you're watching this video and you liked my other house hunting videos, make sure you follow this page, because I'll be back in a minute. Bye. At first when I started house hunting, I was taking Uber and Bolt, but I was spending a lot. Remember that you have to pay about 10,000 naira for every house that you see, or every house that you inspect, whether you're going to take it or not. So I was spending so much money, and now I had to start using Along. If you stay in Abuja, Along is like public transport. Then I was using bikes, anything just to reduce the cost. So yeah, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and please guys, share my video. That is the only way you guys will encourage me to keep posting. So the next video I will be posting will hopefully be a house tour. Okay, so yeah, my brother just woke up. Yeah, that's all for now. To do. Bye.